We got a race this Sunday, and it's not cars. So this is my Flattrack bike. It's a Harley Davidson Sportster 1200, and of course, like everything I own, it needs some work. So this one's got these tappet covers right here are leaking oil really bad and was hitting this header and smoking like a freight train. So my dad's gonna come over here and grab this bike and try to help me get it ready for this race. So this race is Sunday and today is Friday. So we don't have a whole lot of time on our hands. I'll be over there in a minute to help him with it. Right now I still gotta work, and but he wanted to go ahead and get a head start on it. So I'll see him here later on tonight.
Kind of what it looks like on the back half. This is everything that we took off. There's everything we're going to put back on. So Jonathan's not the only one that can screw shit up. What do you see right there? We get closer to it. Yep, it's a broken bolt. Now we get the fun of trying to get that out. So whoever put this together was a dick.
So he had a bolt break off in the head, and now we gotta extract it and get it out.
You're gonna film me break the bit off in it too, probably, right?
Yeah. Why, are you pushing hard?
No, but that's what happens usually.
You got lucky.
How lucky can you get?
Sweet. Where's that dowel at? Show that too. Somebody hooked us up. So the bike supposedly has stage 2 cams. I don't know if they had to take the head off or what, but they hooked this up pretty good. Now I gotta go get some dowels.
Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Beat in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab it, then take it. Like a disease.
We got about half the bikes loaded down. We got the toolbox in here. Did I catch that? Always something.
Always.
Alright guys, it's morning of race day. a lot of filming there, but I guess we'll just have to see on that. But I do want to call out my family because most all of us are racing in Flattrack. So my mom, we'll start with her. My mom is racing Lady Mad Dog. My dad is racing pro hooligan class, and he's also racing in the 50 plus. My brother is racing in the pro hooligan, and he's also racing in the Mad Dog class. I am racing in the hooligan amateur, where they call it street hooligan. And Evelyn, which is my brother's youngest daughter, she's racing in the 50cc class. All right, races are over. So I'm not gonna show you all the practices and all the heats and everything just because this video would get crazy long, but I will call out a couple of them. So my mom in the Lady Mad Dog, she got first, and she got to race with her good friend Nancy. Her other friend Leah, who's a fierce competitor, she ended up getting sick and wasn't able to make this one. But Mom and Nancy, you could tell they had a good time out there. My dad in the 50 plus, he ended up finishing 5th. So he got 4th off the line and had a pretty good battle for a lap or two with a guy, and then he ended up getting around him, and then they kind of finished off positions. So my brother ended up getting 3rd in the Mad Dog class. So early on, he got the whole shot. He led probably 80% of that race. And then, like I think it was last lap, 2 of the guys got around him. Evelyn ended up getting 2nd in the 50cc. She was ecstatic. She got her first trophy and she was so proud. It put a smile on all our faces just to see her so excited for that. So I ended up getting 2nd in the street hooligan. So me and Travis Montz is a good friend of ours. He just recently got a bike the same time as me, and this is both of our 2nd event. In our first event, he put a pretty good whooping on me. Beat me probably by half a track or so. So I felt good about getting 2nd with him. I want to say thank you to Chris Boone for putting on the race, and BeaverCreek for even having a track available. So yeah, I mean, this is only my second time in it. Hopefully I get better and better fast, because I would like to race in the faster classes, but just not there yet. You know, you gotta start somewhere. So, but we had a lot of fun, and I don't know, follow me on the journey.
Yeah, you did way better on that one. Second place, baby.
You did a good race, baby. Did it feel good?
I felt like I was still sissing it out. I was like,
Oh, it is.
I'm taking my time.
and I knew that I just wanted to get
Taking
it.
my
Oh,
time.
I definitely think you did better this time.
Taking my time. I'm taking my time. I'm taking my time, cause it might be gone by tomorrow. Your time is spent, there is no extra you can borrow.
Yep, it's a broken bolt.